Good morning and greetings. Hello everyone. And myself Yashwant Krishna and my teammates are.
Myself Kamlesh from grade 12.
Myself Sugant from class 11.
And our project is titled as Alarm Clock Implementation using the Python. We designed a simple Python program that allows users to set an alarm for a specific time. When the current system time matches the alarm and the program plays an alert sound. And the objectives and tools of this project is, the main objective of this project is to create a time management tool using the Python. We have used Python data time and time libraries for tracking time and the Thinker module to build a graphical user interface. And the application is simple to use. Users can enter the alarm time and the program takes care of the rest. And the working principle of this project is, the application continuously checks the current system time. When the time matches the user alarm settings, an alert sound is played using the play sound and a win sound library that demonstrates real-time event driving programming in Python. The GUI built with Thinker makes it easy to anyone to interact with the system and set alarms visually.
Features and applications of our alarm clock. Easy to use and requires no external hardware.
The conclusion of this project is, the alarm clock using Python project shows how programming can solve real-world problems in a simple yet effective way. It highlights the power of Python for creating desktop applications with GUI, logic and real-time control. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.